Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix ElevenLabs unusual activity detected error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how we can fix this. And basically what that error message means is that automated anti-abuse system has flagged your account or network. This doesn't necessarily mean you've done anything wrong. It can happen because of the network or IP address you're using. Now, in order to fix it, I'm going to start with the most common fixes first. So we'll need to turn off any VPNs or proxies. So disable any VPN proxies or privacy services. Then do a hard refresh on the ElevenLabs page and try logging in again and seeing if that error clears. We can also try different internet connections. So we can connect to your phone's mobile hotspot or restart your router to obtain a new IP address. Fix number 3 is use only one free account. So multiple free 11 accounts on the same IP address can trigger this abuse detection system. So sign in with just one and avoid switching between multiple free accounts because you will get flagged eventually doing that. Now, next fix is to go ahead and clear your browser data. So I'm on Google Chrome. So to do this, I'm going to click on the three dots, click on the settings. On the left, privacy and security, and click on delete browsing data. But we only want to make sure to check all time and cookies and other site data and cache images and file and click on delete data. Next fix is to just wait and try again. So sometimes the restriction is temporarily for a few hours or a day. Now, if you're still having some issues, I suggest contacting ElevenLabs support. So to do this, just go ahead and click on the voice chat here. And then we want to go ahead and send a message and just say that you're having issues, unusual activity detected on your account, and ask them if they can, anything that they can do to help you.